Hello everyone. Here are the list of trusted websites where you can download integrated development environment, that's IDE for C and other programming languages, and always download software from official website to ensure security and authenticity. So this is a note. So let's get started. So here is a popular IDE for C programming, that is CodeBlock, a lightweight and an open source IDE designed for C, C++. It supports multiple compiler like GCC, Ming, W, platforms like Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Next is Dev C++, classic simple IDE for C and C++. It includes a compiler with installation and its platform is Windows. Third one is Visual Studio. It is a future reach IDE by Microsoft, great for C, C++, Python, and many more languages. Comes with extensive debugger and IntelliSense. Its platforms are Windows and Mac OS. Here's Eclipse CDT. Eclipse is nothing but a part of ecosystem tailored for C, C++ development. It supports cross-platform development, platform that is Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. So here is a JetBrains ID. It include IDEs like C Lion for C, C++, IntelliJ IDEA for Java, PyCharm for Python, and it's very powerful refactoring and code navigation tool. Its platform Windows, Mac OS, Linux, free version available for this ID. Here's a NetBeans. It is an open source IDE for Java, C, C++, and many more. Excellent for modular development, platform, Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Here is an Atom, that is a lightweight, customizable text editor for various languages. Its add-ons and plugins available for C development and its platforms like Windows, Mac OS, Linux. Here is a VS Code, Visual Studio Code, a lightweight versatile editor with plugins for C, Python, and JavaScript, and many more. So here's an extension like C, C++, compiler integration. CodeLite is nothing but the open source focus on C and C++ PHP development, supports Git integration, platform like Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Here's the online IDs like Replit, a cloud-based ID supporting multiple languages including C. It's perfect for beginner and collaborating code. OnlineGDB, it's nothing but a simple online IDE and compiler for C, C++, and other languages. Ideal for practicing and collaborating interviews. It use a coder pad. So here's online IDE, that is no download required. You can go easily to this IDs, online stuff and offline also. So thank you for watching.